Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off Huawei Fit watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe down from the top of the home screen to open the quick panel. Then tap the settings cog. In the settings menu, select System. Tap Power Off. Then tap Power Off again. Your watch will turn off. To turn it back on again, hold down on the watch's side button until you see Huawei on the screen. Your watch will turn on. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei tips and tricks.